How to fix if your sign out option on your iPhone is grayed out. So if the sign out option on your iPhone is grayed out, we simply have to do a simple process. That is to first of all open up our settings. Now currently if I go to my Apple ID, I scroll down, you can see at the bottom it says sign out is not available due to restrictions and it is grayed out, which means that I cannot tap on it. So I'll just come back, and what we have to do is we have to scroll down until you find the option there that says screen time. If you have enabled screen time, we simply have to turn off screen time. So scroll down, there you can see the option that says change screen time passcode. Tap on change screen time passcode, and there you'll find the option that says turn off screen time passcode. So you have to tap on turn off screen time passcode and then just turn it off. If you have enabled content and privacy restrictions, make sure to also disable that. Then once you've done that, and then we just come from the very top, then we go to our Apple ID again and we scroll down. Now you should be able to see the sign out option is visible and it is not grayed out. And this is a simple step on how you can basically fix if the sign out option is grayed out on iPhone. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.